Do you want to tone your inner thighs? Well, in this video, we're going to be doing a slimmer inner thighs workout coming up. Now, before we dive into this workout, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new diet tip or workout video. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach with over a decade of experience helping people get fit, lose weight, and change their lives through my online programs and challenges. And in this video, we're going to be doing a slimmer inner thighs workout. We'll be targeting directly where your inner thighs are, that troublesome area that's so hard to get rid of. We will be sculpting that with 5 exercises, 45 seconds each move, followed by a 15-second rest for a total of 2 rounds. As always, go at your own pace, take plenty of options if you need it, and let's get to it. For the plie right and left, start in first position. Heels in, toes out, standing nice and tall. Step nice and wide as you press those knees out, come back to center, and switch sides. Make sure that you're really pressing those knees so that they're in line with your second and third toe. Keep those shoulders stacked on top of those hips and get nice and low and squeeze those inner thighs. Your plie 1.5 pulses. Start with feet wider than shoulder distance. Heels in, toes out. Drop to your lowest squat, come back up a 1/2 inch, come back down, and then squeeze those inner thighs as you come back up. Make sure that those knees stay in line with the toes. You don't want to be caving those knees in or bringing them too far out. They should be tracking in line with those toes to stay with proper form. For the side-lying inner thigh lift, sit comfortably on one elbow. From here, you're going to drive and externally rotate the hip so that the heel is pointing up to the sky. Lift the thigh up to knee height, then come back down. You should feel that nice pressure on your inner thigh. For the same thing on the other side, again, making sure that you're pressing that heel up towards the sky, toe is externally rotating out, trying to bring those knees in line with each other before coming back down. You should really feel this tension as we continue these reps. For the butterfly extensions, lay on your back and start in first position. You're gonna keep those heels in, toes out, press those knees nice and wide as the heels come to the groin, and then squeeze those inner thighs together, creating an internal resistance where you should really feel a deep burn in those inner thighs. workout? If you did, please like and comment below and let me know which workout move was your favorite. As always, I post a new workout video and diet tips every single week, so make sure to subscribe. And remember, results are 80% nutrition and 20% fitness. You cannot outrun a bad diet. So if you need help learning how to eat healthy, make sure to grab my free sample diet meal plan in the link in the description below. I give you a free breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and dessert recipe, so feel free to grab that now. If you want more workout videos from me, check these out here. And as always, I will see you next time.